Welcome back to another video. So I realized that the video before this one tanked. It got like 20 views. And it's probably because of my editing skills in the video before that. It was not good. The audio was not good, and I apologize for that. Hopefully this video makes up for it. And thank you. The real ones are watching. And another thing is spamming the social media. I get it, it's annoying and stuff. It's annoying. But Facebook, I'm gonna continue to spam Facebook because Facebook is Facebook. So hit like, smash like, obliterate like, drop subscribe, hit subscribe, smash the subscribe. So that's the train I want to climb, but my only worry is it was all the way over there, nobody cared as much. That's a bank right there. I feel like there's a ton of people. So I don't want to get the cops called or anything. I think I'll climb it anyway. So I'm on the train and next to a bank, and this is super risky, so I'm gonna get down. But yeah, that's how it looks. Great, wonderful. Now I'm getting down before I get caught. I have no idea what they're doing over there, but other than that, it looks great. That's the end of the video. Click here for another video. Click here to subscribe. See ya.